have Motorola Moto G31 and today I'm going to show you how to change system language on this device. So firstly you have to open settings, then go to the system section, then go to the languages and input, languages, other language. Here you can see the whole list of available system languages. So let's pick for example Ukrainian, and then to set Ukrainian as your display language, just drag it on the first place, and after that language will be changed automatically. So if you want to change it back to English, just go to the settings, then to the Система section, then to the Mова та ведення, мови, and drag English back on top. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.